When you are designing electrical circuits, chances are, you will be duplicating many of them. In Electra, it is extremely easy to duplicate and reuse circuits. Select the circuit you want to duplicate, press the Control key, then drag and drop to your required location. Notice that Electra will automatically rename all your symbols and wires correctly, resulting in huge time savings and reduced errors. These automatic rename will continue to work irrespective of how many times you duplicate. In addition, automatic rename works for all circuits, including power and controls circuits. It is that easy in Electra.